everyone, my name is Siti Faizana Alrifa. Here I will explain a little about diet. Having excess weight is certainly not good for health. The reason overweight and obesity can cause a number of dangerous complications. Losing weight and having an ideal body can be the key to avoiding various health hazards. There are various diets and diet drugs that can be tried to get the ideal body weight. Yeah, but many people think that diet is a pattern of eating by reducing the portion and type of food. Drugs on diet more than there's 2 points. A healthy diet is actually not as easy as it sounds. One strategy can actually be a boomerang for weight. That's why how to eat a healthy diet requires the right awareness to reduce weight. My ideal weight is 50 kilograms because if it is calculated using the body mass index. Such a weight is an ideal body weight. Having an ideal body weight will also keep you from various metabolic diseases. Second, do not trigger the occurrence of pre-existing disease. And 3. About premature death. The second question is, can you think of any fad diet that quickly become popular and then quickly faded away? Why do you think people keep falling for fad diets? I think diet that only consumes apples at that time become popular because one of the artists applied a diet like that. Many people will follow the diet only consume apples and the rest drank only water. That diet was quite aggressive, but in my opinion, that diet was also not very good for health, body, and for people who are for the first time. And I think many people want to go on a diet because they are racing against the beauty standard of Korean women who have smiled. The three question is, what is your own experience of dieting? Experience about my diet is that I went on a diet at the age of 16 because I felt my body was not ideal. I went on a diet by allowing me to eat at 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. The food I eat was only half a portion along with fruits. I avoid oily food, ice, and contains a lot of that. After 4 p.m. I don't eat anymore and only drink water until tomorrow morning to start breakfast. Food is a substance that is eaten by living things to get nutrition, which are the process into energy. Food addiction. Yes, you can. A person can be addicted for food. This occurs when a person loses control over what he or she is doing. This usually arises from a strong desire of vengeance for one thing and occurs for a long time. The cause of addiction is the emergence of pleasure in the brain, which is regulated by the hormone dopamine or pleasure hormone. Food addiction is usually triggered by the consumption of foods that are considered very tasty or very savory, such as foods high in sugar, fat, and or salt. And the last question is, would you start smoking or decide not to quit for you know it help your lose weight? I think if smoking can lose weight, of course I will not smoke because in my opinion, if kids can lose weight but treats are not health for our bodies, there are still many health diets that will not have a bad impact on our body. So in my opinion, it's better to maintain a health body instead of damaging the body just because of losing weight by smoking. Okay, for the 5 question about diet I have answered. Maybe that's all the question. Okay, for the 5 question about diet I have answered. Maybe that's all the question and answer about diet. More or less, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.